Hi guys, this is our Clio 172. It's a 2003 model. What I want to show you right now is just simply there's like a sort of a buzzing noise when I do one turn of the ignition. So I'm just going to do one turn here. And then I assume you can hear that. I hope you can hear that. It might get louder as I put it towards the fan. Up here there's a little fan inside here, and that is exactly what the buzzing is from. So what you need to do is remove this panel, and there's a little fan in there which it generally gets covered in sort of like fluff or dust. So you need to remove this and just give the fan a wipe, give it a clean, and then you should find that it's a lot quieter and it won't be buzzing anymore. So that's if you've got the buzzing noise on the interior on your Clio 172. Hope this helped.